Hey guys, welcome back. So many of you have heard music coming through a teammate's mic in-game and wondered, how are they actually doing that? Well, today I'm finally going to show you. And the best part? These methods use zero extra software, hit 0% of your FPS, and the audio quality is honestly better than anything those third-party apps can give you. Let's get into it. First things first, you need Realtek audio drivers installed on your PC, and there are two ways to grab them. The quick way, just open your browser, search for Realtek audio drivers, and download straight from the Realtek website. Done. The second way, which is actually what I use personally, is a little more reliable. Click on Windows Search and type System Information. Once it opens, look for two things: baseboard manufacturer and baseboard product. The product is your motherboard model, and the manufacturer is the company that made it. Note both of those down. Now just search your motherboard model name on Google and add the word drivers at the end. The top result is usually your manufacturer's website. Go in, find the audio drivers section, scroll down, download the Realtek audio driver, and install it. It's that simple. I've already got mine installed, so I'm skipping that part, but it's straightforward. Alright, now back to Windows. Open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and open it. If your control panel layout looks different from mine, click View By in the top right and switch it to Category. Then go to Hardware and Sound and click on Sound. A small window will pop up. Head over to the Recording tab and look for something called Stereo Mix. If you don't see it, right-click on the empty space inside that window and enable both hidden options: Show Disabled Devices and Show Disconnected Devices. Once Stereo Mix appears, right-click it and hit Enable. That's literally it. Now open your game, go into Audio Settings, and set your input device to Stereo Mix. And from that moment on, whatever your PC is playing through your headphones, your teammates will hear too. One last thing before you go. Just to make sure Stereo Mix is actually capturing your audio correctly, go back to Control Panel and Sound, right-click Stereo Mix, and check if the green bar is moving when you play something. A Spotify track or YouTube video works fine. If the bar isn't moving, the issue is your headphone connection. Stereo Mix only picks up sound that goes through the Realtek audio path, which is your PC's built-in audio jack. So if your headphones are plugged into your monitor's audio port, a keyboard, or a USB sound card, Stereo Mix won't see that audio. Plug your headphones directly into the jack on your PC itself, and it'll work perfectly. That's it for today, guys. Go have fun with your teammates, blast some music, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye.